Alright, so somebody asked how to do some of these problems, so we're going to talk about these. So with these, you're just combining like terms, but notice that minus sign in the middle there, you've got to distribute that negative to both of those. So we'd have 6 minus 2, which would be a 4, and then 4i minus negative I, which would be 4i plus 1i, it's just plus 5i, and that would be your answer. Alright, so with this one, the negative square root of negative 16, we've got to simplify that. So the negative in the square root means we have an I in our problem, and then the square root of 16 is 4. So we'd have minus 4i there for that. Then 8i minus 4i is just 4i. Alright, so with this one, we just need to kind of multiply them 2 at a time and work it out. So we're going to multiply these two guys together, so that gives us negative 12i times 7i. So now we got to multiply these two guys together. So negative 12i times 7i, well, that would give us what? Negative 84i squared. Remember that I squared equals negative 1, so we'd simplify this down to be negative 84 times negative 1, which would be a positive 84, and we're done. Alright, so with this one, we got to do the box method or FOIL. I'm going to do FOIL. So first times first gives me negative 10. And then I do my outer, that gives me positive 15i. Then I do my inner terms, and that gives me positive 14i. And then I do last times last, the negative 7i times 3i gives me negative 21i squared. And then we can go through and combine our like terms. So we got negative 10, 15 plus 14i, 15i plus 14i is 29i. And then remember the I squared equals negative 1, so negative 21 times negative 1 is positive 21. So now we can simplify this even more. It would be negative 10 plus 21 would be positive 11 plus 29i. And then